everybody. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, I'm Amber. This is About That Mama Life. Today we're going to dig into my Sparkle & Co. monthly subscription bag. This is the bag that came with it, this pretty sequency bag. You always get at least 3 colors in a bag, or sometimes you get no bag and 4 colors. These are the 3 that came with it this month. Goddess of the Grasslands, Another Sunset Photo, and Ferociously Fierce. My bag came a little late, so it did give me some time to get creative. And since this looks like leopard print, I was just feeling edgy. You also get a liquid. This month was Solidify, and you got stickers and discounts and this card that tells you more about the subscription bag. So I have my Dashing Diva nail guards on and ready to dive in and get some stuff on my nails. I recently just reshaped, and I will have a filing and shaping video coming up soon. So I'm using Midnight by Sparkle & Co., which is just a black, and also the Ferociously Fierce, which is this gold with flecks and foils, and it is just so pretty. So if y'all are interested in the Sparkle & Co. bag, you can use my name, Amber Riley, as a referral, and you would get an $18 credit. Or if you just want to buy some products, you can use my name and you'll get a $9 credit. I went ahead and put the black on, and I'm digging into this gold. I'm using my Virgo and Gem liquids. I really do like Sparkle & Co. I also like Virgo and Gem. They're my 2 favorites as far as dip liquids go. And I'm just putting the base directly on top of the nail guard. If y'all haven't seen my nail guard video, I will link that down below as well. They are my favorite way to prep for my nails, so I can just pop off my mani and change it when I'm ready. So that first dip went on really, really pretty. I'm just cleaning up the glitter that sometimes likes to get crazy around your cuticles and fingers. I'm placing those black flecks down where I want them and just kind of cleaning up and getting everything looking nice. And as I was doing that, I noticed that I missed a little spot. I had kind of like a bald spot near the top of my finger. So I'm just going to go ahead and go pat down all of my glitters. I always do this when I do glitters. I found the best process is to pat it down and do just 1 coat for most glitters. Putting a little bit more base coat on that bald spot, and then since that swatch stick was nearby, I'm just using that to scoop some glitter onto that bald spot. And there we go. Perfect. I love how that came out. 1 coat coverage, it was perfect. I didn't need to go in with any more. Here's my right hand or my non-dominant hand so you can see both of the Ferociously Fierce colors. I'm going back in with another layer of base coat, and this time I'm trying to get a pretty thick layer on there so I can cap and clear and just do 1 more layer, and then I don't have to continue to build it up. I'll have enough on my nail, and there's clear over that glitter, so it'll be nice and smooth. And that was perfect for me. I did 1 dip of the glitter, 1 nice thick dip of the clear, and it worked out great. And now I'm just activating those nails and getting ready for all the fun we're about to get into. All right, looking good. And here we have the black and the Ferociously Fierce glitter. It's like leather studs and leopard print is what this mani reminded me of. So I'm going to go in with just my regular dip liquids for my top coat. I'm going to start with a layer of activator. I'm doing this because the activator is what cures the top coat. If you've had issues with your top coat not drying, or maybe taking a really long time to dry, even kind of gunking up, it might be because of your activator. I typically don't use dip top coat anymore because it is so finicky, but when I do use it, I found that this method is what works the best. So 1 layer of activator over each of your nails, and then you're going to let it dry for about 30 seconds, just until you see all of the activator evaporate, and then I just give it another about 10-15 seconds. I'm just going to wipe off any excess that's on my nails lightly. You don't want to wipe off all of it, but just give it a quick wipe. And then just like normal, I'm going in with my Virgo and Gem top coat. We're going to do 2 layers of the top coat. Your first layer, you want to kind of get it on there pretty quickly and do a thin layer just to coat the entire nail. Then you'll go in with your second layer, and that's when you can get thicker and really take your time with it. I had a little white color on the edge of my nail from the activator that dried, but when I put the top coat on there, it disappeared. You couldn't see it at all. So it will go from looking wet to looking just sticky like it is now, and that's how you'll know when you're ready for your second top coat. So I went ahead and did a second layer of top coat on all of my nails, just like you would normally in your dip application. You don't have to do it this way. You could go straight from filing and activating and use a gel top coat. I do that a lot with nail art and reverse stamping. They are dry and they're ready to go. So here's a matte top coat. That's a gel top coat that I really like. But today we're going to use this Sparkle & Co. matte top coat. It's not a gel. It doesn't need to be cured. It's just a regular dip top coat. And they do say to use it over the glossy. The glossy is going to be what fills in those gaps, hardens the nail, and really makes it look nice and polished. And then the matte top coat is just going to take that shine away and give you that matte finish. Now, I will tell you that the Sparkle & Co. is not as matte as the Model 1s. Model 1s gives you more of a matte color, I guess, but I feel like the texture of the Model 1s is thinner and it almost scrapes off for me, where this one from Sparkle really does last me a long time and it's not finicky. So here's all the black nails with the matte, and I left my leopard print nail glossy, of course. Now let's get into some nail art. So I have my Model 1's glossy top coat. You could also use the matte for this, and this is just a gel top coat, so you will need to cure it in the lamp. I'm using a dotting tool, and I just found one with the biggest dot that I had. And then this is just my little cheapo Sally Hansen black light that I use to cure my gel top coat with. I got this like ages ago at Walmart, and it's still running strong. Excuse the light on when I plug it in. It comes on automatically, so it'll turn off in a second. So I'm using my gel top coat, the glossy version, and putting it on my little stone that I use for my nail art. I'm dipping the dotting tool in there so that I get a little bead of liquid and just putting it down on my nail. So it looks like these just little beads or little studs. Now the idea here is you want to work quickly and you want to cure each nail individually. I'll show you after this nail I cut to my final product, my finished product, and I'll show you what happens if you wait and you don't cure it right afterwards. It kind of flattens out and the dots get bigger and wider, which it still looked good. It just wasn't what I had in mind, like studs. So you can avoid that by just doing one nail at a time, working quickly, and cure in between. And there it is. It's dry, and there are my studs. Now that's just one layer. I'll show you. I go back in and do a second layer. I did that on this nail, but I didn't do it on the rest of them because I didn't feel like it really added much to the studs. But if you really wanted to make them dramatic, you could go in. So my pointer fingers, see how the dots are wider because I didn't let them, or I did let it dry and moved on to the next nail. I didn't cure it. But here they are. They look so cute. I love this final product. They are gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. And thank y'all so much for being here and for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.